Okay, so I'm starting to grind this down, and I placed this over the hole to see if it would set, and it's not quite setting because I built it up too much, which is good because it's always easier to grind it down. So it's setting nicely on that side. I finished grinding that side, this portion right here, and so I just need to continue this over here. You see how thick that is right there? Well, I need to grind that down to be sloped like that because it needs to, this needs to rest in that slope. So it's perfect on the front over on that side. I just need to do it back here because it's 1/8 of an inch off. So I basically need to take 1/8 of an inch off of this part here to make it look like that. And this should set on there nicely. So I'll pause it and grind away. And I'm trying to, this is the grinder I got, kind of limited. This is a Craftsman. Not really sure, it's not designed for this tool, but it works marvelously. It's kind of like a Dremel, and I'm just angling it like this and grinding away until I get the desired result. I can't do this, and I don't want to mess it up. Can't do this with two hands, or with one hand, so I want to use two hands. So I'll pause it. Okay, so I'm getting closer. Put that on there. It's good around this part, and then I might need to do a little bit more over here. See, it kind of wobbles just a little tiny bit. I'm almost done. Basically, it's almost perfect, actually. I probably don't need to do any more because once I tighten that nut down there, it's not going to move at all. But I'm just gonna do one last kind of grind. Just arc it. I'm basically just using the circumference. What's the right word? The arch of the circle to get the desired arch of this hole. So just do one more pass and should be good. Okay, so I think that should do it. So here's the drain. I think there's enough clearance. Hopefully I didn't do too much. I think that's good. Once it's tightened down, it'll be good. It's not hitting anything, so at least that I can tell. Gosh, why is it so blurry? Jeez Louise. Focus, you think? Gosh, why is it so dang blurry? So I think. Do I need to do more? I might need to do more right there because of how it's moving. Because it's not moving forward and backward. It means it's kind of high either here or here, and I don't want to grind anything here. So over here, is where I need to grind, because it's moving like this. So the high points are here. So I'll grind back here, because that's, I guess that's where the high point is right here. So I'll do a little bit more here, and we'll see where we're at. All right, I think that's the last pass. So it's not moving left or right there. It's not moving left or right there. So it's sitting flush with the tub, and I'm good with that. Now I can, I'm not going to put it on yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this tub another time. Whoops. I'm going to wipe it down, and I'm going to spray it here. There's still a part that I forgot to get Bondo for that. It rusted at some point in time, so I have to Bondo that, or use like a JB Weld kind of stuff. So I'm going to clean it down. I'm not going to paint that part, but I'll just paint the inside. The inside is the important part. So once I paint the inside, then I can do the walls, and I can do that part later. So I'll at least be able to put the walls on tomorrow or the next time I'm out here. So that's fine. I can spray it now, at least the part that is going to come in contact with the sheets. And probably need to do a little bit there too. It's just from water coming here. And that's pretty much what I'm going to do. So clean it and then paint it.